All right, guys. All right, guys. The first site we're gonna go to is Down for Sound. Of course, you know you can go to downforsoundshop.com. If you know anything about this, you know of course you can use the links down below. But I'm gonna show y'all how to use this. Use the discount codes. Of course, you can see here I'm going and you just pick out whatever you need or whatnot. This is the referral code. So I want y'all to understand they don't give discount codes at Down for Sound or whatnot. Or of course it doesn't cost you anything extra if you support the channel. Use this code at Down for Sound to let them know I sent you over there. You pick whatever you want over there Down for Sound. Be sure to put it in the cart. What you'll do, you'll get to the end. You'll use code. Of course, you'll use your you make your of course you'll make an account. You can put the code BWK right in there. It's not gonna take any money out. So, just so y'all know, it's not gonna take any money out. You're just gonna use code BWK. It's gonna give you like a referral code, as you can see right there. That's all it's gonna do. But that's just to show them that I sent you, and they'll give me a little kickback or whatnot. But that's if you support the channel. If not, I understand. Just hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, watch the videos. I sure appreciate it. All the links down below. Of course, we're here at CustomSpeakerPods.com. Y'all know I run these in my vehicle. I highly recommend for anyone who wants louder doors. What you'll do, you'll go over there and pick any item you want. They got custom speaker pods loaded and unloaded, whatever you may need. Of course, you can see right here. I just want to pick one for one of the vehicles that we have. We got. I think I want to pick the 2003. Well, I'm picking one for a 2003 Chevrolet Suburban. There's other. This will fit other models, or you can find ones that you need. So I'm just gonna pick one to show you all exactly what you may need. The process rather. As you can see right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm trying to just find some. They got a lot of different finishes to choose from. I got another video. Of course, y'all can go on the channel and look at that. Look at all the different finishes that you can go through. I'm gonna go right here. I'm just gonna put something in the cart. Of course, anything will work. Just put it in there. Now, I don't think you can use the code on B stock products. So, we're gonna go ahead and go to view cart, so you all will be able to see how to do this. You'll go over here to the coupon code, put in BASSWITHKEV, just like most of the other ones, and you will hit apply coupon. Of course, the more you spend, you will see more come off. Of course, you save $19.21 right here. So, of course, as you see right there, it is giving you a discount. Of course, I do have the links down below for all everything that I'm showing you down in the links below. All right. Of course, you can go to Big Jeff Audio, and as usual, Big Jeff, what you'll do is you'll put some items in the cart. For some reason, my microphone keep cutting out for some reason. But you'll add something to the cart. With this site, you'll add 2 V's on the end of the BASSWITHKEV, so the code will work. I have it all listed below just so you can save money. Be sure to use the code BASSWITHKEV with 2 V's on the Big Jeff Audio site. You'll go down there. Of course, you can use Sezzle, or they have finance options with all of this. Most of these sites I'm showing you, they have financing options. Not all, but most of them. So you'll hit your checkout right here. And of course, once it loads up or whatnot, you can make your account. I don't know. You may be able to check out as a guest. I'm not sure. But what you'll do, you go right here to the discount code or gift card box. Put in BASSWITHKEV with 2 V's, as you see right here, and you hit apply. All right, and you see that it did go through. You'll save $10.25. We all want to save some money, so make sure you use these discount codes. So you definitely want to do that. This is at bigjeffaudio.com. Y'all be sure to go over there and check it out. Of course, the links are down below. But if you forget any of these codes, you can go to cardioconnect.com, and they'll have all my codes right there, and they'll be always updated or whatnot. Well, for right here, we're at Sky High Car Audio. And I'm going to go ahead and just pick some items. Of course, I already got one item in the cart. I'm just going to add something else in there just to show you. All right, we got the Sound Cube 2500.1. We're gonna use we're just gonna, like I said, we're gonna put some items in the cart just to see, you know, what it'll discount. So all right, we're gonna add one item. You can add as many items as you want to. Fill the whole cart or buy it all, you know, if you got it. But anyway, they got financing options as well. Most of these sites have financing options, so if you want to buy now and pay it over 90 days or 100 days or however you prefer to stretch it out, no credit check financing available on a lot of these. You'll use code BASSWITHKEV, just regular BASSWITHKEV, as you can see right here. You hit apply, and as you can see, it'll give you $131.25 off. It'll be a different amount each time, so you'll save money with just about every purchase that I know of. Anyway, I don't know if it's for specific items, but I think it's all the same. You know, you'll get that discount regardless. So you all want to save some money, you want to use code BASSWITHKEV on most of these sites or whatnot. So, if it's anybody I don't have a code with, y'all let me know. Maybe y'all can reach out and let them know. You know, y'all, I want to add them to the site. I want everybody to save some money. I promote my site because that way y'all know where to go to just in case y'all forget the code. Some people forget the code. So I want to give y'all a site to go to. Y'all know y'all can go to cardioconnect.com or cardioplug.com and y'all can be able to get the discount. So, all right, we're back here at WC Car Audio, where you can get all your SMD, all your Steve Mead, and other products as well. But, you know, of course, y'all know I run SMD products or whatnot. Great products, great customer service. And I really like the product. It's built well. So, but, you know, you can buy anything off here. It's not just SMD products. You can buy subwoofers, amps, or whatever. I'm just picking something. Of course, this Ultra Series is the new SMD Ultra Series distribution blocks, fuse blocks, whatever you want to call them. So I'm just going to, you can pick your trim piece, base color, and standout color. Different ones may cost different amounts. So I'm just going to pick the gloss black. Go with that. I'm going to pick the black base color. And the trim, I'm going to pick black as well. I'm going to hit add to cart. Okay. So what we're going to do, put in code BASSWITHKEV. Just regular BASSWITHKEV. Hit apply. And of course right there, y'all can see, we say extra $22.50. I think it's a discount going on right now. Maybe, I'm not really for sure how it works, but I think it's an extra discount on certain products as well. So you definitely want to get over there and check that out. As you can see, it's already a $10 discount, but you use code BASSWITHKEV, you save an extra $22.50. Like I said, we all want to save some money. Like I said, if you all forget any codes, be sure to go to cardioconnect.com or cardioplug.com, and you'll see all of my codes. Of course, now we're over at Showtime Electronics, and what you want to do, you want to pick any, just like the rest of the sites. You want to use code BASSWITHKEV, and you're gonna go on here and just pick up some. I'm just the full tier audio wire, and I'm gonna just add quite a few of these. Just, you can add whatever you want to add, and it'll give you a discount as well. So hopefully, you want to save some money. I hope you want to save some money. You'll use code BASSWITHKEV and support the channel. Like I said, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does save you some money on most of the sites except one. Damn Sound doesn't get discount codes, but they got a referral code, so be sure to use that. But we right here at Showtime Audio Electronics, my bad. They got 4 of these in here. Total is $599.96. Of course, you want to make you an account. You may be able to check out as a guest, but make your account. Use code BASSWITHKEV, hit apply. Of course, you save $30.76 using code BASSWITHKEV. All right, so this is Showtime Electronics. Use code BASSWITHKEV over there as well. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next one. You got battery hookup. So if you're into building battery banks like yourself, this would be the best option. There's a lot of options you can go through. This if you do DIY battery building and you know how or want to learn or whatnot. But always be safe for however you do it. Of course, you can go to Showtime or any other company that sells a lot of different batteries already built as well. They sell cells. But over here, they sell a lot of different cells. Of course, we're going to go over here and get these LifePo 4 power cell batteries. I don't know if I said that right, but y'all know what I mean. The point is, we're going to go ahead and get some of these. And I'm just going to show y'all how to get the discount. All right, we're going to just add 6 to the cart. All right. Of course, you want to sign up if you want to, but I forgot to hit the, you have to have the read and agree to the terms of service. Of course, you might want to read that if you're not familiar. But anyway, as usual, we're going to use code BASSWITHKEV to save us some money. Hit the code BASSWITHKEV right there in the discount coupon code box. Hit apply. And you got $11.40 off discount. Okay, so that, we all want to save some money. That, that's the key right here. That's what we want to do. We want to do it and save money wherever we can. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go back. Of course, you can get anything on here. Y'all see they got a lot of different options to choose from. So we're going to go to Trauma Car Audio. All right. We're going to go ahead and get the product, whatever we want to get. And we're going to just add 4 of those so that, you might want to really get loud, You want to go ahead and put those in there. I put the code BASSWITHKEV in here. It won't work right here at the front. You have to go all the way to the checkout for it to work. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and, it's not, I tried to make sure, it just wasn't the lowercase deal, but that's not the deal. What you have to do, you have to go all the way to the checkout, all the way to the end on this site right here. All right, you'll see right here, I'm going to go ahead and go to the end. And what it is, I'm going to go ahead and hit checkout. Or you could just hit the cart right there. I was going to hit the cart button at the top. Either way, it'll work. You can hit the cart or the checkout. And hit the code BASSWITHKEV right there. All right, so you saved $184 right there on Trauma Car Audio. Of course, y'all normally leave the links down below to everything, down below. So you want to get over there and check that out. Use the links down below, share the videos or whatnot. Cardio Connect to stay updated with all of my discount codes. Or CarAudioPlug.com to stay updated with all of my discount codes. So you all will be able to find everything in one place. You can even just shop directly from there if you want to just pick a certain item and do that. So, like I say, I'm going to leave y'all right here with it. Keep the list updated. Y'all be sure to stay tuned into the videos. Like I say, CardioConnect.com or CardioPlug.com will bring you here. And you can see all of my discount codes right here. As you can see at the top, everything is broke down. Like I say, I got everybody who offers financing. I try to give them, I got a list, a tab up there you can go to and click all the different brands you can find that's really out there, really. If I'm missing a few, hopefully I can get them added. But as y'all can see right here, CardioConnect.com, CardioPlug.com. Of course, I have merchandise on the site as well. You want to go to shopBASSWITHKEV.com. It'll bring you to the BASSWITHKEV merch. Of course, you can see it at the top right there. If you're looking for BASSWITHKEV merch or whatever it is, you can go to BMS batteries, and that's another battery thing as well, kind of like battery hookup or whatnot. All of my codes right there for all the different sites. I didn't even get to go through all of them. Of course, you got Untouchable Sounds. You might want to check that out. You can use code BASSWITHKEV with that as well. Be sure to check out CardioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top cardio brands. I appreciate your support.